Writing a book can be a daunting task, especially for beginners. However, with the right approach and mindset, anyone can successfully write a book. Here is a step-by-step guide for beginners in 2024. The first step in writing a book is to choose a genre and topic that you are passionate about. This will help you stay motivated throughout the writing process. Once you have chosen a genre and topic, it is important to do some research to familiarize yourself with the conventions and expectations of that genre. The next step is to create an outline for your book. This will help you organize your thoughts and ideas and provide a roadmap for the writing process. Your outline should include a clear beginning, middle, and end, as well as key plot points and character development. Once you have an outline, it is time to start writing. Set aside dedicated time each day to work on your book, and try to write consistently to maintain momentum. Don't worry about writing a perfect first draft. The most important thing is to get your ideas down on paper. As you write, remember to show, not tell. Use descriptive language and vivid imagery to bring your story to life and allow your readers to draw their own conclusions. Show your characters' emotions through their actions and dialogue rather than simply telling the reader how they feel. After you have completed a first draft, it is time to revise and edit your work. This is where the real work begins, as you will need to carefully review your manuscript for errors, inconsistencies, and areas that need improvement. Consider seeking feedback from beta readers or a professional editor to help you identify areas for improvement. Once you have revised and edited your manuscript, it is time to prepare it for publication. This may involve formatting your manuscript according to industry standards, designing a cover, and writing a compelling book description. You may also need to research publishing options, such as traditional publishing, self-publishing, or hybrid publishing. Finally, it is time to release your book into the world. Whether you choose to self-publish or pursue traditional publishing, be prepared to market and promote your book to reach your target audience. Consider creating a website or social media presence to connect with readers and participate in book signings, readings, and other events to generate buzz around your book. Writing a book is a challenging but rewarding experience. By following these steps and staying committed to your writing goals, you can successfully write and publish a book in 2024. Remember to stay true to your voice and vision, and don't be afraid to seek support and feedback along the way. Good luck!